Hi all, welcome to my channel, My Art Journal. Let's make crochet fingerless gloves today. Material that I have used is listed down here. I am making these gloves for thin hands. You can increase or decrease the number of rows as per your requirement. So let's begin by making a slip knot first. To make chains now, we have to pull the loop through the previous loop. Pull the loop through the previous loop. Pull it through the previous loop. This way we will be making chains. In total we have to make 11 chains. After making 11 chains, we will start with row 1. To begin row 1, we will skip one chain and make our stitch in the next one. So let's make single crochet in the second chain. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. There will be 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Let's make another single crochet in the next chain. So insert the hook in the next chain, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. For the third single crochet, we will insert the hook in the next chain, pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is third single crochet. Similarly, let's keep making single crochets in the rest of the chains. So fourth single crochet, this is fifth single crochet, sixth single crochet, seventh single crochet, 8th single crochet, 9th single crochet and 10th single crochet. So 10 single crochets in row 1. For row 2, we will make one chain and turn the work. Now we will make one single crochet in the first stitch. So insert the hook and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is first single crochet. For the second single crochet, we will not work in the whole stitch. Instead, we will work only in the back loop of the stitch. So, if you will view from the top, you will be able to see both the loops, the front and back, but we have to work only in the back loop. So one single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. Third single crochet we will be making again in the back loop of the third stitch. Similarly, we will make fourth single crochet in the back loop of the fourth stitch. Fifth single crochet in the back loop of the fifth stitch. The sixth single crochet in the back loop of the sixth stitch. Seventh single crochet in the back loop again. Eighth single crochet in the back loop of the eighth stitch. Ninth single crochet again in the back loop. Now for the last, that is 10th stitch, we will work in both the loops. That means we will be making a single crochet in the whole stitch. For row 3, we will make one chain and turn the work. We will make our first single crochet in the whole stitch. Now we will be making 8 single crochets only in the back loop of the stitches. So basically in each row we will be doing our first and last single crochet in the whole stitch, while the in between single crochets will be done only in the back loops. So first single crochet in the whole stitch, Single crochet from 2nd to 9th will be done in the back loops. Again the 10th single crochet, that is the last single crochet, will be done in the whole stitch. Similarly, we will make the 4th row same as the previous row. So chain 1 and turn the work. Make the first single crochet in the whole stitch while the remaining single crochets in the back loop of the stitches, and the last single crochet again in the whole stitch. Follow the pattern and make the rest of the rows. In total we have to make 26 rows. So from here, that is row 5 to row 26, we will be following the same pattern and making the rows further. After it is done, let's count the rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So in total we made 26 rows. Now we will snip off the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing later. Now let's keep this piece of fabric aside and start working on another piece. Let's begin by making a slip knot, and let's make some chains now. For this piece of fabric, we will make 28 chains in total. After completing 28 chains, for row 1, we will skip 2 chains and make our stitch in the 3rd chain. So here we are making herringbone half double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook in the chain and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Now you have to pull the first loop through the second loop. Now you will have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Now yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is herringbone half double crochet stitch. Repeat in the next chain. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on the crochet hook. Pull the first loop through the second loop. You will have 2 loops on the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is herringbone half double crochet stitch. Repeat for the 3rd time. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull the first loop through the second loop. You will have 2 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Similarly, we will make herringbone half double crochet stitch in rest of the chains. In total, there should be 26 herringbone half double crochets by the end of row 1. For row 2, we will make 1 chain and turn the work. Now we will make herringbone half double crochet in the first stitch. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the crochet hook, pull the first loop through the second loop, 2 loops on the crochet hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Similarly, we will make second herringbone half double crochet in the second stitch. Repeat third herringbone half double crochet in the third stitch, fourth herringbone half double crochet in the fourth stitch, and so on. We will be making herringbone half double crochets in each stitch. So by the end of row 2, we will be having 26 herringbone half double crochets in total. Repeat the pattern for row 3. Chain 1, turn the work, make the herringbone half double crochet in the first stitch, second herringbone half double crochet in the second stitch, third herringbone half double crochet in the third stitch, and so on. Repeat it till the end of the row. There should be 26 herringbone half double crochets by the end of each row. We will repeat the pattern and make the rows further until we reach row 13. After completing 13 rows, it will look like this. Let's make the 14th row now. So chain 1 and turn the work. Now make slip stitch in the first stitch. So insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull that loop through the previous loop. This is a slip stitch. In the next stitch, insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull that loop through the previous loop. Similarly, make the third slip stitch in the third stitch, fourth slip stitch in the fourth stitch, fifth slip stitch in the fifth stitch, and so on. By the end of row 14, we will have 26 slip stitches in total. See how neat the edge looks now. Pull up a loop, secure it, and leave a long tail for sewing. Here I forgot to leave a long tail, so I will attach the yarn later for sewing. Let's bring both the pieces together. Piece 1 will be kept horizontal while the second piece made will be kept vertical. Align them neatly and add the stitch markers to keep them in place. Now with the help of darning needle, we will sew both the pieces together. Hold both the pieces together and seam the edges as shown in the video. Remove the stitch markers one by one and sew them till the end. Secure it nicely with 1 or 2 knots and snip off the yarn. Let's flip it to the right side and fold it vertically into half. Align properly and add the stitch markers to it. Place the first stitch marker at the corner. The second stitch marker should be placed at the joint. Count 3 rows upwards from the joint and add 1 stitch marker there. Now count 4 rows upwards and add another stitch marker there. Place the last stitch marker at the other corner. Here we will seam the edges together, but we will keep some portion open in between. Let's hold both the edges and start seaming them together. Close it till here, that is third row upward from the join. Now remove the stitch marker, let this portion remain open here. Carry the yarn forward with the help of needle. Now the remaining part of it has to be closed again. Secure well and snip off the yarn. Let's turn it inside out. Similarly, make one more for the other hand. Finally, our quick and easy fingerless hand gloves are ready to wear. Don't you think they are super quick to make? And see how cute and comfortable they are. Following the same pattern, you can make bigger size by adding a few rows to it. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Do share your valuable feedback and subscribe to my channel for more crafty tutorials. Happy winters, stay warm, have a good one, see you in the next one. Thank you.